어쩜 이렇게 시간이 안 가는지 정말 버스 안에서 고인 이불 속에서 고인은 언제나 너에게 고인.
Risk and return. Understanding risks. If you want to be a successful entrepreneur, then you have to be brave enough to face risk. This sentence is considered a recipe for becoming a successful entrepreneur. Business life is full of risks, both financial and managerial risks. Financial risks related to the failure of effort to realize predetermined financial plans. Managerial risks is related to the failure of company leaders in managing their company, which ultimately measured by financial failure. Risk can be cited to be an opportunity for loss of distribution for Bartley. Risk can be defined as the possibility of an undesirable outcome occurring or the opposite of the desired one. In the financial industry in general, there is jargon hic rise bring about hic return, meaning that if you want to get bigger results, you will be faced with bigger risks too. For example, in stock investment, volatility or sharp up and down movement in share price will open up opportunities to obtain greatest result. But on the contrary, if prices move in the opposite direction, the losses that will be borne will be very large. Risks that a company cannot overcome are usually because they cannot be controlled by the company. The risks that exist in the company can be divided into three types of risks. 1. Individual risks that originate from individual investment projects without being influenced by other projects. 2. Company risks that can be measured without considering the diversity facet portfolio carried out by investors. 3. Market risks. Market risks. Investment risks is viewed from investors who invest their capital in investment made by other companies and companies. Investment risks can be interpreted and the possibility of difference between actual return and expected return. To the every investor in making investment decisions must always try to minimize the various risks that arise both short and long term. Every change in economic condition both micro and macro, will encourage investors to carry out strategies that must be implemented to continue to obtain return. Understanding return. Return is the profit obtained by companies, individuals, and institutions from the result of the investment policies carried out according to R.G. Schoch. Return is an investment profit, either through interest or dividends. Some other meaning of return. 1. Return on equity is net income divided by shareholder equity. 2. Return of capital is a not taxable cash payment to shareholder that represents a return of invested capital and is not a dividend distribution. Investor reduce investment caused by the amount of the payout. 3. Return of investment is dividend income before tax by investment to obtain a number that reflects the relationship between investment and profit. Relationship between risk and return characteristics. Here, great the probabilities mean the actual return will be much lower expected return and the great the stand-alone risks associated with the asset. The average investor is risk averse, which means the investor must be compensated for investing in risk asset. Therefore, higher risk assets have a required return than less risky asset. Risky asset consists of 1. Reversible risk, where risks can be eliminated through diversification. Then 2. Market risks, where risks cannot be eliminated through diversification. The risks associated with individual assets in the risk contribution of a well-diversified portfolio, which constitutes market risk and asset. Because market risk cannot be eliminated through diversification, investors must be compensated to withstand these risks. These characteristics can generally be divided into three, namely 1. For a risk avoider. This characteristic is where the definition maker is very careful about the definition he takes. He even tends to take action that are to avoid the risks that will arise if the decision is implemented. The businessman character who carries out action like this is called a safety player. 2. Be careful about risk. Risk differs. This characteristic is where the definition market is very careful of very calculating about all the impact that will occur if the decision is implemented for business people. They call people with this kind of character in the extreme adapting type. 3. Like risk seeker or risk lover. The characteristic is a type that really likes risks. They are used to speculation, and that is what makes at end of the characteristics always want to be leaders and then not to want to be workers. The risk seeker mentality is the mentality possessed by big business people and also big leaders. The characteristic is the most dominant when viewed from its proximity to risk. Return risk. 1. Pure risk. If uncertain occurs, then the event will definitely cause losses. Pure risks can be grouped into three types of risks, namely 1. Physical asset risks. Risks that result in loss to the physical asset of a company organization. Example, fire, flood, earthquake, tsunami, volcanic eruption, dan lainnya. 2. Employer risks. Risks caused by what is experienced by employees who work in a company or organization. Example, a work accidents that cause distribution to company activities. 3. Legal risks. Risks in the area disappointing contracts or contract not going according to plan. Example, a dispute with other company resulting in problem suit and compensation for loss. 2. Speculative risks and uncertainty about whether a profit or loss will occur. This risk can be grouped into four types, namely 1. Market risk. The risk that occur for market price movement. Example, share price have decreased resulting in losses. 2. Credit risk. Risks that occur because the counterparty failed to fulfill its obligation to the company. Example, bad credit arises, the percentage of receivables increases. 3. Liquidity risks. Risks due to inability to meet cash need. Example, cash holding discretion to that is unable to pay debts properly, causing the company to have to sell the asset its own. Number 4. Operational risks. Risks used by operational activities not running smoothly. Example, DS damage to the computer to the various regions including exposure to viruses.